Morning. Hayi, afternoon kanene. Cha, umvulo. Yo. Basuke ikhawulezile le. Abantu bengenamali. But yeah, I've got something about to share, man, which is good. It's good news. Umeya waseBuffalo City, Princess Swaku, naye uye wangenelela kule nto yaseCalifornia oba there were calls over here in California mayivalwe sinike ingxaki. I think laa nto ibithethwa nguJacinta plus nabanye ke nophakela umthakathi. The march about East London, I think it was not in vain. So there it's yielding results now. So there are results ezibonakalayo. So Princess uvelile naye sithi abantu bangomama bayovala eCalifornia, which is just a good news for mna ndigcine elo hlobo andazi ke nina abantu. I have a couple of friends man bendikhe ndathetha nazo. One are influencers. Sorry, iPhone, sorry. One are influencers and there are a couple of izinto abazithethileyo futhi ukuthi I don't think about we are on the same boat nabanye, or mhlambi we are on the same boat but on different levels le boat isikuyo. Because abanye bathetha uba no, it was not gonna serve any purpose oba kuyokhutshwa i-foreigners, especially ezingenamaphepha, illegal foreigners, to kwezi ndawo basebenzela kuzo. Yeah, so sorry, kwezi basebenzela kuzo. So, and abanye abantu what purpose does it serve really? Because bazophinda babuyele, you understand? And map 2 cent landika worth of words kule nto yenzekileyo. So I think mna it was worth it. It shows the unity, alive the unity between amaXhosa and AmaZulu. I love the unity. I love the posters about the Nguni nations, the Nguni sons coming together. There are a couple of things that I've taken notes of. Like for instance, thina bantu, especially abalapha e-East London or lapha e-Eastern Cape, singabantu abathanda usebenza kakhulu ingqondo, and ingqondo xa usebenza ingqondo too much uye ulibale ukwenza practical. You will see all the zonke ingxaki ezikubangela ubungakwazi uyenza le nto, you understand? You'll analyze and ubone uba this thing if unoyenza olu hlobo ayizolunga, xa ndinoyenza olu hlobo ayizolunga. And ezinye izinto they need the practicality of i-KZN, the practicality of ungizwe, the practicality of umlando uphakela umthakathi, oba banibonisa uba yes practically olu hlobo nicingela ngayo soyikubanjwa, soyikuthini if usiyenzile le nto lena abantu we don't have plan B about yona. Now sizivalile izipaza shops, awukhupha ama-foreigner ezitratweni, but there are no one balapha eSouth Africa that are occupying the space. We're still depending on bona. There are a lot of izinto esizithethayo thina abantu ba-analyzayo, you understand, and abantu abayile esikolweni and zilitshela uba singathathi action ngenxa yoba si-analyze and singafumani solution. And hence some politicians ephuma zisithi balapha and they need to be registered and there's nothing esinoyenza. I mean, there's still plenty. I mean, let's say for instance, if we don't do anything, we just register bona, we just do whatever abayifunayo, then we're giving up on the country. So iyayifuna laa nto mhlawumbi ke kufundiswa about to be patriotic. Ingathi siyayilekhisha man thina, especially kweli cala lase-Eastern Cape. Yes, ngabantu abayithanda i-country yethu, but mhlawumbi siyithanda ngothetha nje. Akekho ezaa nto kwakuthiwa ngamafelazwe, understand, abantu abakwazi ulifela ilizwe labo. Kwakho ingoma yasithi sizalilwe ilizwe lethu, sizalifela ilizwe lethu ngexesha sakhula. Those are the people that took i-fight upon them with i-apartheid system. Wawuzobanjwa uxhonywe uthweni usiwe etrongweni udutyulwe wenziwe yonke into, but there were people that stood up and inspired us to take stones and fight against the apartheid system. Yes, idlulile loo nto leyo, but there abo bantu babenjalo yayingamafelazwe, you understand, and very few or mhlambi ke sabhilive enxeba mhlawumbi athi buya kwawo exile atshintsha zi-capitalist, you understand, yaba ngawo abantu abathanda imali, andikho kule i-subject. But into endiyithethayo yeyoba we need mhlambi siphinde si-instilane la sense of ukufela ilizwe, you understand, uba kuminisha ntoni na. And love uphakela umthakathi xa sebesithi yazi ingxaki yethu, you understand, ingxaki yethu thina sinalaa nto ithi ithi sikhona ngentliziyo madoda yilwane. Kuthiwa hayi ke akufunwa ntliziyo apha kufunwa amatantyule, you understand. So there are a couple of izinto engayibimela uba siyazenza as ebimela siyazenza uba silwele ilizwe, sifele ilizwe, you understand. So practicality plus ne-theory azidibani at all. Thina kuthiwa siyatheorize kakhulu apha e-Eastern Cape, and you think about xa ulwela ilizwe. And I love uphakela umthakathi esithi ethetha namapolisa sithi if olu hlobo niqinisa ngalo umthetho xa nidilishana with the South Africans, bekunoba bhetere uba nenza the same thing, niqinisa isandla xa nifika nakwi-foreigners. I-foreigners ayizo-Africans zodwa ke, everyone that doesn't belong illegally yabangabelongiyo apha eSouth Africa, understand. But uyofumanisa uba kuqiniswa kakhulu umthetho kwaba bantu bomthetho, aba bantu bamele uba babambe umthetho, which is i-South Africans. Kwaba bophule umthetho isandla siyekelele. And of which sithi uphakela umthakathi, there is a stage apho kofika khona uba sithi ke kumapolisa makadubule ngoku because sidikiwe yile nto yenzekayo, you understand. Sithi makabambe because sidikiwe yile nto yogrogriswa ngobamba. And the freedom fighters zakudala, the freedom fighters ezikhulule ilizwe, they took that decision conscious uba they will fight for a country yabo, and they knew the consequences of akelizolanda again. I think ongizwe Mchunu plus nophakela umthakathi, they know not Jacinta, they know the consequences of ukulwa la hlobo. They know izinto that will be blamed kubo, you understand. Thina ke ngoku kwelicala we too conscious uba hey into ethile siyayazi uba izophuma ecourt iphume nam, you understand, kuzobanjwa mna. But the freedom fighters or the patriotics za early zale Africa siyilwelayo or le South Africa sasiyilwela, they knew exactly what will be the consequences of taking ilandi arms, of throwing petrol bombs, of boycotting, of throwing stones emapoliseni. They knew the consequences, and but nevertheless they were not mhlambi boyikiswe yileyo into bakwazi ukulwa. I think mhlambi nathi we are at different age and at the different stage, and kwesi stage sikuso we need ukulwa our fight ma-2000, and this fight inento yoba sibe nayo la pride, you understand. Indaba yezinye izinto, the consequences, yes, you need to think about them ezona, but the fight oyilwelayo, you understand, when i-forefathers zethu they were fighting for le country lethu, they thought about them, but they thought the country is more important than their own lives. So I'm not saying abantu mabafe for le fight, but I'm saying to be patriotic, it means you will die for your country yakho. And if i-country yakho iyathathwa hlobo lili siyithathwa ngalo i-South Africans, i-foreigners, then you need to bear the consequences of fighting, of being patriotic. I think we need to install lando lezo zinto ezilolo hlobo amongst each other thina singabantu plus influencers zethu zalapha Eastern Cape, instead of bashing, instead of coming of criticizing. Sikunida amatapile ukhona, not uye ngenhliziyo entweni uthi hayi ndinani ngenhliziyo, sifuna ube khona ngetapile ezi empini. Nevertheless, bensithi bendibulela just to the action that is taken, but ndizama remind but there is another action that will be taken. That is aphofu are not saying, I know inamayithunyelwanga kum, but on the 8th, I think Wednesday, 8th April, there is going to be another march of which BCM TV will cover yona. And I hope abantu bayi understand, because there are a couple of abantu that were complaining about we didn't show everything. Revolution won't be televised. A revolution won't be televised. So you need to understand that not everything will be shown. The effect, we can show the effect because we were trained. I mean, I was inspired by your own joke. I understand that we are staying. If former journalists, ZBC, the Daily Dispatch, I understand that were there when we were fighting and they were covering his stories like Dala, but yet they didn't betray abantu that were fighting, because if footage is a BCM TV, footage is a Zindo, the footage is abantu that are protesting. If as fotwanga ngendlela right, you understand. If as fotwanga ngendlela right, they can be used as evidence. Ukulandela ukubamba aba bantu bebesenza. So not everything need to be on camera. We might shoot the start of the march. We might shoot the after effects of the march, but the action, and I hope abantu that influence the influencers, they must know when to shoot and when not to shoot. You understand that you cannot you understand that your footage ibe isetyenziswe. I'm not saying, you understand, I'm not so conscious of, but I'm aware that I don't want my footage to be used uyobambisa ubani. And it was raised up a highway when I attended. That's a dilemma of being a journalist. When people see you, even on a good cause, you understand, this is a cause or believer kuyo. This is a cause about by part of your, but when they see your face, they see the television, and abantu, they start to be careful on what to say and what to do around when of if there is any footage elikishileyo and you will the one to be blamed. That's why you uthi ngobaleke ubawela ubasendaweni uqomba, no, let me not be there, so that abantu, they won't feel like intimidated by presence of the media. I don't intimidate abantu abantu ba-intimidatwa yi-brand lena, ba-intimidatwa yi-present of ilandika media kule nto bayenzayo. But nevertheless, I think in social media influencers, they need to be careful of not betraying the cause or not betraying abantu babo by uleqa i-viewers, uleqa i-content, uleqa yonke laa nto leya that comes with the content creation. Ezinye izinto we need uba sicinge before siziveze. What impact will it make? We've done that and made the mistakes, and we learn from those mistakes. So we don't want to do it again. But yeah, those are izinto endicingayo uba zi-important. And to extend sethu as i-BCM TV towards le into, we are a news media and we are patriotic. I can just libeke lo hlobo. We are patriotic, and that's our stand. So you doubt it, you doubt our stand or abantu that are organizing yabo leyo into, and we cannot make you unisithembe, understand, but our action will tell you uba sindawuni na. Danko ningalibali ngolwesithathu City Hall lapho sikhona zi-BCM TV nathi siyokavarisha the meeting that is landing, and we want to cover naxakiwe California. Probably not everything will be shown. Revolution won't be televised. Thank you.